Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Monarch Money's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Monarch Money's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in app.monarchmoney.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your Monarch Money's account. You can log into your Monarch Money's account using your Apple, Google or email account as well. Choose any one of the option. Here I'm gonna go with email. Enter your email address and password associated with your Monarch Money's account and tap on sign in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot password option. Slide this slider to the right side in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. This is how you can log into your Monarch Money's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.